up? Alanna here. Welcome back to my channel for today's video. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about Mother's Day gift ideas. I see tons of videos and lists online giving you ideas of what you can DIY, but you know, after a certain age, macaroni projects just really aren't the cutest thing. I'll accept that for my 4-year-old, but in your 20s, you need to spend a little coin on your mama, okay? She carried you for 9 months. I think you can spend $10 plus. So I'm gonna give you guys some ideas of things that you can buy for Mother's Day. Before we get started, just a little disclaimer, you should know the mom that you are shopping for, okay? Whether it's your mama, your girlfriend's mama, your grandmama, your auntie, your cousin, your sister, your baby mama, whoever you're buying gifts for, make sure that you know this person before you're buying gifts. If you don't know them well enough, there are some suggestions on the list that you can kind of get away with, but for the most part, what I'm saying is, if you have a mom that you're gifting for and she's never, not once in her life, mentioned working out, do not give her a treadmill. Do not give her a waist trainer, okay? We're trying to uplift our moms this Mother's Day, not offend them. If your mom is not into fashion, do not buy her a Michael Kors purse that you're gonna have to eventually steal back because she never wore it and she doesn't even notice that you took it back. With that being said, let me go ahead and get into my suggestions. Number one, I know it's super random, but it's a power bank, okay? I know it's really random, but you know what? I got one for myself the other day and I was just like, oh my gosh, I think every mother needs a power bank. Let's be honest, as a mom, our phones are all over the place. If the kids don't have them, then they're probably stuck somewhere in between somewhere where we have no clue where it is and it's not on the charger. So when we get ready to go out, that's when the phone is on 10%. And it's like, great, now I have no battery. I know for me, by the time I get dressed, get in my car, GPS my way to a location, get there, and open up Snapchat, my phone's already on 14%. This power bank has really come in handy for me. If you know a younger mom who enjoys being on social media, this power bank would definitely be a great gift for her. Trust me, she will thank you later for it. Also, if you have a mom who has younger children, sometimes when you're at the grocery store and the battery's on 5% and you know you're in the checkout line and you know that there's a LOL surprise doll over there and you know she's gonna ask for it and you know that you ain't buying it, that power bank will come in handy, I'm telling you. I will have the links listed down below for all of my suggestions. The power bank that I have, I love it. I got it from Amazon.com. Make sure you check out the description box below. My second suggestion for Mother's Day gift is personalized jewelry. Now, a lot of moms do enjoy receiving jewelry for Mother's Day. It's definitely a really popular gift. My mom likes mother's rings. I don't know if that's even what they're really called, but it's basically the jewelry that has, you can put the child's name on it or the birthday and then the birthstone and stuff like that. It's a really sentimental gift and a lot of moms like to get it. I know they have it in necklaces, they have it in rings, and I believe in bracelets too. I know Walmart sells them and I believe a couple of stores on Etsy do too. Again, I will find links to all of these things that I'm talking about and list it down below. The only thing with the personalized jewelry though is that you do need to order it in advance. Maybe a week. You guys may still have time to order it, but definitely check today if that's something that you're looking into. If you're not gonna go with personalized jewelry, you could definitely go with fine jewelry like Swarovski and Pandora if you have a little bit more coin. But both of those places have really nice jewelry. I like the necklaces from Swarovski because they have really nice necklaces and they don't turn colors on your neck, okay? If your mom already has a Pandora bracelet, you want to get her some more charms, so some Alex and Ani bracelets. I think those would be great ideas for mom as well. Number 3 is gift cards. I love gift cards. I love giving gift cards, especially if you know the person that you're shopping for. If you know your mom likes to go to Bed Bath & Beyond, if you know your mom likes Bath & Body Works, if you know your mom likes Victoria's Secret, get her gift cards to her favorite places. That way, she doesn't have to be mad at you when you get her a size too small. Just get her a gift card to Victoria's Secret. She can go have a field day, pick out whatever it is that she actually wants, and she'll appreciate it because it shows that you listen and you know what she likes and where she likes to shop. My fourth suggestion is photos. Moms love photos, especially when it's of their kids. So if you're gonna gift a mom this Mother's Day who likes pictures, who has kids, if you have some pictures of her with the kids, if you have pictures of just the kids by themselves, or some just really special pictures, maybe pictures of you and your mom as a child. I did a video a while ago where I did some blow up photo canvases. I DIY'd them. It is a super inexpensive and super easy project to do. I will link that video up here or up there. It'll be up in the cards somewhere, and I'll also link it down below if you're interested in seeing how I did that. But these are really great gifts. I've given them for Mother's Day and holidays in the past, and people always love them. Also, if you're not into the DIY thing and doing anything with Mod Podge or sticking anything anywhere, you could just go ahead and print out a 4x6, 5x7, or 8x10 picture and just find a really cute or cool frame to frame it in. Know that Walmart and Target both are great places to find affordable frames, but I honestly really like those discount bargain stores like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Home Goods, because they have really unique types of frames that you can get for really cheap, and they just really dress up a picture so much more and make it look so more sentimental. Number 5 on my list of gift ideas for mom this Mother's Day is the gift of apparel, accessories, or home accessories. I guess I kind of bundle them all together because you could pretty much get all these things at the same place or by the same brands. Anything from sunglasses to scarves, hats, wallets, shoes. I know I've gotten shoes before for Mother's Day and I just walked my way on into, you know. Now, I haven't really heard about anyone getting a pair of jeans for Mother's Day or like, you know, a sweater or anything like that. So steer clear of those types of things. But if you do know the woman's size and her style, again, for the people in the back, if you know her style and her size, that will be the time that you can search for apparel, a nice dress, a nice shawl, or something like that. If you don't know their size, it's best to avoid this choice altogether, okay? If you're dealing with someone like mom who is very fashion forward, it definitely would be a great idea to check out some of these department stores around this time of year because they always have awesome sales. I'm talking about Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, even Macy's, okay? They all have really amazing sales. You can pick things up on the spot. You can order them and have them shipped to you. Number 6 on my list of mommy gift ideas is the gift of service. For those moms who are super busy, most of the time, you know, they don't really get time for themselves. Services like getting their nails done, getting their hair done, getting their eyelashes done, going to a spa, getting a facial, things like that, where you can kind of let them have their own time. I think a lot of moms will appreciate that. Again, you want to know who you're shopping for, because my mom personally does not like the spa. I don't know where she comes from, but she does not like the spa. So for my mom, that really wouldn't be a good option. But if you know a mom who is really always going and kind of going and doing things and doesn't really have enough time for herself, she may appreciate getting the gift of service. Just to kind of piggyback off the gift of service, you could also gift your services. So for example, if you're a teenager and you have younger siblings, give your mom the gift of babysitting. Babysit for her. Give her, you know, a whole weekend. You'll babysit Friday and Saturday night. Give the gift of something that she would normally have to take care of on her own. A cleaning service, something like that, and I'm pretty sure your mom will appreciate it. Number 7 on my list of mommy gift ideas is to take or send your mother out. Now again, if you're gifting your service of babysitting, maybe you also want to buy your mom a pair of movie tickets. Maybe you want to buy just her a movie ticket. If you have a little bit of extra coin, maybe you can send her and a friend. You can call her favorite restaurant and make a reservation and have them charge your card for dinner. Or just make a reservation if you don't have enough for dinner. That's fine too. One year I bought my mom tickets to a concert and she really liked that. Tickets to plays, events, and things like that happen in the area. Look at eventbrite.com, see what you can find that your mom will be interested in. If you know that her favorite artist is coming to town, maybe you want to look into that. But either way, I think that taking your mom out, whether it just be to lunch or brunch or dinner, is something that your mom would definitely appreciate. Number 8 on my list of mommy gift ideas is, of course, the traditional gifts of flowers, candy, and a card, right? People normally give things like that. I prefer to be a little bit more, you know, creative with the gifts, which brings me to number 9, and of course that is DIY. There are tons of Mother's Day DIYs that you can do online, everything from kids to adults. More so with kids, I think it's appropriate to do DIY gifts for Mother's Day and holidays like that, just because, you know, it's more sentimental for the kids to actually take the time and, you know, they're giving their mom something that they can hang up all year round or put in a keepsake box and just cherish. And it's something that really came from the heart. If you're a little bit older, like I said, you may want to gravitate towards some of the other things on the list. But again, you can't really go wrong with anything that I listed here. If you guys want to see a video with some DIY mommy gift ideas, I can definitely do that. Be sure to drop a comment down below and let me know what types of gifts you like to give your mom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, I love you guys and happy Mother's Day. Bye.